Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all, put on your running shoes because we have some surprise pennies right now at Dollar General. So I'm going to tell you all about them, but first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so and make sure that you turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome run deals like this one right here. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so first up, I just want to go ahead and remind everybody that I have already uploaded several other Dollar General videos for you all this week, including the new clearance markdowns and penny list. And let me go ahead and tell you all, this is going to be an epic week for clearance and penny items. So make sure that you guys go back and check out those videos. If you haven't already, I'm going to have them all listed and linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And if you are new to penny shopping, please remember that the #1 rule of penny shopping is that we do not ask employees about penny items. All you have to do is go out to your local Dollar General, look for the items that I'm going to show you all in this video, scan them with your Dollar General app, and make sure that you have your correct store location set. If it scans at 000 or 001, that means that you have in fact found a penny item. Now with these items, I'm going to go ahead and tell you all this is a huge, and I do mean huge, your miles may vary. Now, if you guys will remember, a few weeks back, we had some items in the refrigerated section that surprised pennied. We had some drinks, we had cheeses, we had some sausages, and we even had some chicken salad. So we had all kinds of amazing items that surprised pennied at DG. However, that one was a huge your miles may vary, because you could type in the UPC code on your DG app. At some stores, it would show up as a penny. At other stores, those items were still showing up as full price. In that video, I told you guys to definitely keep an eye on those items that were still showing up as full price, because they would eventually penny out at more stores. So the same thing goes for all of these items that we're about to go over. Type in the UPC code in your Dollar General app before you even leave your house. Now, I do want to go ahead and answer a quick question that I have seen in the comment section a couple of times over the last few weeks. So somebody asked, hey, I'm putting in all of these UPC codes and I'm checking my local stores, but they all say that these items are out of stock or not sold at this store. Well, I just want to go ahead and let everybody know that with penny items, or even with clearance items, you guys know that we have that clearance event coming up right around the corner. If you type in a lot of those UPC codes, they're going to show up out of stock or not sold at this store, because they are discontinued items. So you really can't go by what the inventory says on the Dollar General app. If it shows up as a penny, just go out to your store and see if they have them in stock. Now, if these items are still showing up as full price in your area, make sure that you type in those UPCs or save them into your list and check back on those items every Sunday, Monday, and I would even check on Tuesdays as well, because they will eventually penny out at new stores. In fact, we kind of had the same thing happen last year with our refrigerated section and our freezer sections. A lot of these items had pennied out at certain stores, and then literally I was still finding penny items a month later in the freezer section. So this is really good news, and it can really work out in your favor. All right, so let's go ahead and see what exactly these surprise pennies are. So first up, we have the Haagen-Dazs chocolate dark chocolate mini ice cream bars, 6 count. Next up, we have the 14 fluid ounce cup of the Nestle Butterfinger ice cream. Next up, we have the 1.5 quart tubs of the Eddie's Double Fudge Brownie ice cream. All right, next up we have the Eddie's Rocky Road Collection Brownie Brick Road Ice Cream, 14 fluid ounce cups. Next up we have the 14 ounce cups of the Eddie's Rocky Road Collection Cookie Cobblestone Ice Cream. All right, then we have the 56 ounces of Clover Valley Vanilla Ice Cream, as well as the 1.75 quart of Clover Valley Chocolate Ice Cream, as well as the 1.75 ounce Clover Valley Neapolitan Ice Cream, and we have the 56 ounce Clover Valley Cookies and Cream Ice Cream. And moving right along, we have the Outshine Tangerine Popsicles, 6 count. I'm really on the lookout for those. We also have the M&M's Vanilla Ice Cream Cookie Sandwiches, 4-pack. And we also have the Toll House Mini Chocolate Chip Cookie Sandwiches. Alright guys, so there you have it for our surprise ice cream pennies so far. Now keep in mind that typically when this has happened in the past, usually we have some more surprise pennies that will pop up. So make sure that you have those notifications turned on, that way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And if you missed out on those clearance and penny videos that I have already uploaded for you all this week, that does begin tomorrow, starting on Tuesday, February the 21st. I'm going to have both of those videos linked in the pinned comment right down below this video for you all. So check them out if you haven't already. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but I wish each and every one of you all good luck with your clearance and penny shopping this week at Dollar General, and if you score, don't forget to come back and let me know about it down in the comment section below. And before you go, y'all know the drill. If you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That's right down below this video. Make sure that you turn on those notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And while you're at it, do your girl a favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.